Hello, students. Today you are going to be practicing again mode, median, mean, and range. There is not going to be a mini lesson today. I am just going to go over the instructions of the activity and then you may begin. You will need paper and a pencil. There are 10 problems. You need to solve all 10. And then on the last slide, what you're going to do is take the answer to each question and type it in the blanks. I'll show you in a second, and it's going to create a story. Okay, this is called Math Lives. You will then turn your assignment into Google Classroom. So let's start. So, for example, here is number 1. The number of the problem is in the corner. So on your notebook paper, you should put number 1. You do not have to write the question. You should write down the numbers, and then on this one, you're finding the mean. So mean means the average. There are 2 steps. You need to add up all the numbers and then divide however many numbers there are. So whatever you think the answer is, there's going to be a word next to it. So let's say, for instance, you think the answer is B. Next to B, it says Miss Bunting. So on the very last slide, in the number 1 blank, you would type Miss Bunting, okay? And you're going to do that for each problem. So I want to go over a couple of them because they may be confusing. So number 2, you're finding the median. That's fine. One thing about the median is the middle number, but you have to make sure the numbers are in order first. So that's something that you're going to have to do on your notebook paper. Number 3 is range. Number 4 is mean. Okay, on number 5, it says which measure is the greatest? And your answer choices are mean, median, and mode. That means you need to find all 3 of those. You need to find the mean of this set of numbers, the median, and the mode. And then which one of those is the biggest? That will be your answer. Number 6 is the same. Number 7 is just like that. Number 8 is similar, but now it says which measure is the least. So again, you're going to find all 3 of these measures, mean, median, and mode, and whichever one is the smallest will be your answer. Okay, number 9, it says which statement is true. So in the answer choices, I'm seeing mean, range, median, mode, mean, median, mean. I see all 4 of the measures, which means you need to find all 4 of those with this set of number and then pick the true statement. And number 10 is the same. So again, you're going to have to find all 4 of them and then pick the false statement on this one. So be careful. So again, let's say you think the answer to number 10 is A. They had nothing else to do. And number 10's blank on the story, that is exactly what you would type there. And then at the end, it's going to create a funny story. It's probably not going to make sense, but that is the point, okay? And then when you are done, you will turn it into Google Classroom. Have fun.